In today's video, we're going to do a quick unboxing and review of the SwitchMate by SimplySmart Home. Hey everybody, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, and in today's video we want to do a quick unboxing and review of the SwitchMate, a wireless way to turn off your light switch by SimplySmart Home. And as you can see, we have it already laying out here on our table. This is the SwitchMate device. Comes with a couple of batteries, which is good, 2 AA batteries. And we're going to jump back to the box real quick and take a look at it. Now the box is real simple, it's just white. Not much information on it at all. Actually, no information other than the name of it saying SwitchMate for toggle style switches by SimplySmart Home, new. Now you can pick this up off of Amazon, and the price for it on Amazon is very inexpensive, $19.99. And so that's not a bad price. And so again, this is the SwitchMate device. We're gonna go ahead and pull the device out itself and see what else is in here. And looks like we got some paperwork here. This is a quick start guide here, and we have another quick start guide. This is in another language. We're going to set that to the side, and the other piece of material that fell out is the terms and warranty. And so just taking a look at this real quick, like I said, this is a quick start guide. Tells you what's in the package, what's in the box itself: 1 switch, 2 batteries, 2 start guides, and a pre-installed rocker adapter. Has some more information here. Also, one quick thing about the warranty: once you get this, if you go ahead and register, you get a 1-year warranty on the SwitchMate itself. On the back side here, tells you how to install it, and that's what I really like about the SwitchMate. This is really easy to install, not a whole lot of instructions, but anyway, we're going to show you how to set it up. And so again, this is our SwitchMate device. If you look at the top, it has the word top. That'll come into play a little later. And on the back, you can see, like we said, this fits the traditional light switch, you know, that you would normally have at home, not the switch that has the big square which pushes down and up. This is for the light switch that pops up and pops down, the toggle switch. So right here is where we put our batteries at. So we put our AA batteries in there. And that's pretty much all we have to do. Main thing we need to do real quick is go ahead and download the app that goes with this. So we're gonna go ahead and grab our phone. And today we're using our Galaxy Z Fold 2. And we need to go to the Play Store and download the SwitchMate app. So go to the Play Store. We're gonna do a quick search for SwitchMate, and it comes up with this. Be sure to look for this logo here. It says SwitchMate. I've already downloaded it. That's mine says open. So we'll hit open, hit allow at all times. And so this is the inside of the app itself. And so once you get it downloaded and you get to this screen, go ahead and set your phone down. We're gonna go back to our SwitchMate here, and we're gonna install the batteries. And so reach over here, take that bracket off, grab our batteries, make sure to put them in correctly. And so they are in correctly. And as you could hear, there was a little machine sound there that gave you an indication they are in correctly. And so when they're in correctly, you have the switch here. And what you want to do from the instructions, what you want to do is push the button of the SwitchMate, but you need to have your phone nearby so it can connect to the app. Okay, I'm sorry. And so what you would do is take your phone and your SwitchMate, hit add device, and when it says add device, we'll hit light, and then it tells us to push the button on the SwitchMate, and then it's gonna tried to link up with the SwitchMate. And so you just need to determine where you're going to put your SwitchMate, your device at. I'm going to put mine in my master bedroom. And it's going to be a light. I'm going to tap on lamp here. But we're going to change the name because we're going to put it on for the ceiling light. And so choose the name, save it, and it's talking about settings, so tap there, voice activation, tap there, and it says tap the icon to toggle. And so it says your SwitchMate is ready. And so to test it, hit that button here. Hit that logo there. And if you hear that sound, it's working. So we're going to go over to our light switch real quick. Okay, now that we're over at our light switch, we want to take our SwitchMate like we have here. And if you turn around to the back, if you didn't know it, there is magnets that are made up onto this device. They're here, here, and here. And it will automatically adhere to the light switch. And so the deal is down right now. So that means that the light switch is off. So we're going to turn the light switch off. And then what we do is just stick this toggle part into that hole there. And so that sits there. And if you notice, you may not can see that real good, but it says top there to give you an indication or the orientation. So then we go and reach back over here and grab our phone, our device here. And you see the icon that we labeled ceiling light. And so when you hit that, you'll hear that mechanism turn on and they flip the light on. And so to turn it off, you just hit it again. Now it's a little loud, but it's very convenient. To me, it comes in really handy. Like I'm in the bed and I forgot to turn the ceiling light off. I can easily grab my phone and go to the, SwitchMate app. Go to the SwitchMate app, hit it and turn the light off without having to get out of bed. So that's about it for our video for today. Quick unboxing and review of the SwitchMate by SimplySmart Home. So hopefully we shared something that you used and something that was beneficial. If so, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. And don't forget to hit the like button so you can be notified of new content as soon as we release it. And again, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, bringing you technology that's on the move. Thanks.